Nelson Chamisa is about to launch a new political party in Zimbabwe called a New Zimbabwe Movement, and Chamisa is going to be launching this party on the 29th of June 2025, according to reports. Meanwhile, people are saying the government of Zimbabwe must stop Nelson Chamisa from abusing the opposition members by creating new political parties every time when we are 2 years before an election. Zimbabweans must boycott the launch. So that's what other people are saying. Let's get to hear what you think.